Tightly Packed TV News, the video format of Packaging Journal and Interpack. Welcome. Our topics today: high hopes in monomaterials, anti-counterfeit blisters, the fastest complete water filling plant in the Middle East, and Belgium gets a complete recycling system for beverage cartons. The world of packaging is in upheaval. For many, monomaterials are the beacon of hope on the road to greater sustainability. Their advantage: because different materials don't have to be separated from each other at great expense, monomaterial packaging is much easier to recycle and therefore easier to form into new packaging. However, even the best monomaterial cannot offer all the functions that a composite has. This means that other solutions are needed. For example, special coatings that give the packaging oxygen or waterproof properties but do not negatively affect the recycling process. Then, the choice of the right machine. Not every material can be clamped onto every filling machine. However, machine manufacturers have also long since reacted and offer simple retrofits. What monomaterials offer and what packers need to pay attention to. Read in detail online in Tightly Packed magazine. Drugs must be clearly identifiable. No problem on folding boxes, cartons, or pallets. But what about the primary packaging, the blister? This is where serialization comes in handy. This would give the blister a unique, encrypted number that is stored in a database and assigned to the corresponding data. This is not yet mandatory, but a new solution already offers pharmaceutical companies the opportunity to protect their products from counterfeiting, even in primary packaging. The two companies, SEA Vision and Marchesini Group, have developed an entire solution package for this purpose, which includes technologies for printing, checking, and packaging serialized blisters and for aggregation with cartons. The aim is to improve product identification because it often happens that a blister is used without outer packaging, for example, when it's distributed individually in hospitals. Open the floodgates. This is the motto of this complete system in Dubai. The fact is that in the Middle East, demand for bottled water is on the rise. In the United Arab Emirates, water accounts for a third of all soft drinks sold, much to the delight of the MAI Dubai water brand. The company needed a new packaging line and chose a complete system from Sidel. With the Super Combi Compact, Sidel installed a complete PET line for water filling. It takes care of blowing, labeling, and filling. Downstream to this is a floor-level preform feeder and an ergonomic cap feeder. The line can fill 86,000 bottles per hour in 3 different sizes from 200 milliliters to 330 milliliters and 500 milliliters. This makes it the fastest single line in the Middle East as well as the African and Asian regions according to Sidel. As we continue to hydrate, let's talk about drinking cartons. Drink cartons consist of valuable raw materials that can be recycled. Since last year, a plant near Cologne has been proving that beverage carton recycling is technically feasible. Now, 2 beverage carton manufacturers are jointly testing its feasibility in the Benelux countries. Stora Enso and Tetra Pak are currently conducting a joint feasibility study on this. There's plenty to do. In Belgium, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands, around 75,000 tons of beverage cartons are placed on the market each year, and the trend is rising. More than 70% of these are currently ready to be collected. However, there is still no infrastructure for recycling beverage cartons in these 3 countries. The cooperation between the 2 companies will now create a complete recycling system for the composite cartons, not only for the Benelux, but also for the surrounding regions. Now, it's less than 8 months until the world's most important packaging trade show, and already there's an overview of exhibitors and products of Interpack 2023. As of now, this database is available and gives visitors an overview of the unique product range on site. The exhibitor and product database is now available at www.interpack.com and will be continuously updated with new information and products. Online, you can also read more about all of the topics on this show in the Tightly Packed magazine. Have a great time and see you next month.